In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an administrative login in Constant Contact. To begin, sign in to your Constant Contact dashboard using the primary owner account for the organization. This is important because only the appropriate account owner or user with the right permissions will be able to add and manage other users. Once you are logged in, take a moment to make sure you are on the main dashboard so the menu options are easy to find. Next, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click your user profile name or your organization name. This will open a drop-down menu with account-related options. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Constant Contact keeps the main controls for account access, user management, and other administrative options. After the Settings area opens, look for the Manage Users tab in the upper menu options and click it. This section is where you can view the people who currently have access to the account and make changes to user permissions when needed. If you are setting up access for someone new, this is the correct place to do it. Once you are on the Manage Users page, go to the upper right corner again and click the Add User button. This will open the form used to send an invitation to a new user. In the email field, type the email address for the person you want to add. Be careful when entering it because the invitation will be sent directly to that address. A small typo here can delay access and create extra work later. After entering the email, select the role for that user. This step is important because the role determines what level of access the person will have inside the Constant Contact account. If you are adding an administrative login, make sure you choose the role that gives the correct administrative permissions based on what that person needs to manage. When everything looks correct, click Invite. Constant Contact will then send an invitation to the new user so they can accept access and begin using the account according to the role you selected. That is the full process for adding an administrative login in Constant Contact. If you follow these steps carefully, you can quickly give the right person access while keeping the account organized and secure. That covers everything you need to know.